Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to take a look at this retail lightbox solution. We are excited to bring to you the IllumiGo Retail. Now, as the name suggests, this has been specifically designed with retail in mind. At 1600mm high and 600mm wide, it makes it ideal for smaller spaces, such as shop windows or floor displays where space may be tight. Now, given the high foot traffic area normally associated with retail, we've gone with this single fixed foot, giving the IllumiGo Retail greater stability in those high traffic areas. Although the IllumiGo Retail may follow a few different design aspects, it still comes with those premium features that we have come to expect from the IllumiGo range, such as a double-sided silicon edge graphic, a premium carry box, and that iconic white powder coated finish. One of the main features of any of the IllumiGo systems is just how easy they are to use. The frame is numbered, which is accompanied by an easy-to-use push-pin fit-in system, which means that this whole frame can be built in less than a few minutes with absolutely no tools. As mentioned earlier, the IllumiGo Retail comes with a double-sided silicon-edged graphic. So to fit them, you're going to simply tuck the corner of the graphic over and place it into the channel around the outside of the frame. Now, it's always good practice to start in each of the corners and then work from the center outwards to make sure that your graphic fits perfectly. Due to the smaller size of the IllumiGo Retail and the fact that it uses energy-efficient LEDs, it's able to fully illuminate your graphic whilst keeping the running costs low. In fact, the IllumiGo Retail only uses 24 volts at 2.5 amps, making it very economical to run. And due to the fact that the power lead actually runs through the center of the base, it means you're able to place them side by side should you wish to increase your advertising space. And there you have it. This is the all-new IllumiGo Retail. It is in stock and available now. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you again soon.